Hi everyone. My Canva Creations with Pam Facebook group. How are you doing? I hope very, very well. And my YouTube people, because I think I'm going to be putting this up. But I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little tip today. Hence Tip Tuesday, right? So I am creating something for the Canva Clubhouse, and it's about using Magic Write. And so I wanted to give you a couple tips here too. So um, I have a couple that's already out, but I just want to show you how Magic Write can help you and use it like you do with ChatGPT. Okay, so if you have this tool, you might as well use it. All right, so I'm going to walk you through here. So I have a prompt for blog post, and then I gave an example. And then I asked Magic Write right up here by add text. I put that prompt in, and it gave me 10 blog post ideas for me, for Canva. Then we went ahead and I did a prompt. I have a prompt, and then I put this prompt in to Magic Write. So, and then it gave me some captions. All right. Now, the next one was product description, guys. Utilize this. Because don't we always kind of get stuck with the product description? What should we write? Blah, blah, blah. Well, I have a prompt, and then I have an example. And then it went ahead and gave me a beautiful product description. I'm just working like on a Canva course, so it it gave all kinds of information for me about why people should buy the template bundle. Okay, so love, love, love. So you can utilize Magic Write. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you a work how it works. Okay. Magic Write is in a lot of areas in Canva, and I'm going to show you a couple places. All right, going to the next one. This is the email content. Let's see if we can write up some emails, okay? So this is the content. Write newsletter marketing welcome email for, and then you put your product or your service, introducing it to your target audience. The email should be, and then give some like tones. Highlight key benefits and include a clear call to action, encouraging readers to sign up, make a purchase, or learn more. So I'm going to grab my example that I came up with. We're going to copy that. Okay. And then I'm going to go to a blank page here. So now Magic Write, like I said, is right here by added text. It's pretty much whenever you have a design, it'll be right there, but there's other ways. So I'm going to click, and then it says use 5 or more words to describe what you want. I am going to paste, and then I'm going to click generate. Okay, so okay, that is not bad. I, however, and highly recommend that you put in your personality as well. Change up a few words, put in a couple of your like how you would write. Okay. Now, let's see here. I think that's good. So I'm going to insert it. You can also here, let me move this. You can retry. I think that's copy or duplicate. But let's go ahead and we are going to insert that. I'm going to pick my things here so I don't have to go back and forth. Okay, so there we go. Now, of course, I would probably put a little bit more into this email. And that's, this is nice to have so that I can just plug in what I need that's personable for me. Okay. So there is one place that you find Magic Write. Magic Write is also right up here. So let's go to, let's say if we want to rewrite this, I'm going to highlight all that. I'm going to go up to the Magic Write that's right by the fonts. It's to the left. Magic Write. We can create a summary. We can continue writing it. We can shorten it, rewrite it, more fun, more formal, sprinkle fairy dust. That one's always a little interesting. If you want to have a little fun, go ahead and do that one. You can change your voice. Like I want it to say that. And it's going to automatically do it. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways. I don't know if I type it like that or no. So I would definitely go back up here to Magic Write. You can add your brand voice in here as well, fix spelling. Let's go more fun. See how much more fun that is? I mean, come on now. Let's whip up an email that's like a warm hug for your special product. I mean, it works. You are just going to have to put a little bit of work into it as well. Okay. Now I'm going to go back because I don't want all this stuff. I love the undo button, by the way. That's another tip. Use the undo button. Okay, so there you go. I just wanted to go ahead and show you a little Magic Write. Now I'm going to, I have 10 of these for my Canva Clubhouse people. All right, looking forward to giving it to them too. And you can have it too if you were in the Canva Clubhouse. Just saying. Just saying. All right. Yeah. I think utilizing Magic Write in Canva makes a lot of sense. Okay, so give it a try. Let me know. Put in the comments if you tried it. All right, and what you thought about it. Thank you.